Hey Samantha, so in Pirates Net, I'm going to start just in case you haven't used Pirates Net much. If you log on to Pirates Net, you can find out who's teaching the same class as you by going to search for classes, English, and then let's just do 101. Okay. And you can see, all the people that are teaching English 101. And then if you want, you can go over here and just type in a name and you can find syllabi. So here's Emily's. Hers is, it looks like, there's another thing I didn't mention, which is liquid syllabi. This looks like perhaps a liquid syllabus. Lots of, interesting graphics. And basically we're trying to make our syllabi kind of enticing, add a lot of graphics and colors. Let's see what Nathan does. Let's see. Oh, I know. All right. Oh, has he not? Hold on. Oh yeah, here's his. Oh, wait, that's the accessible one. So that's not the one I was actually looking for. Because, yeah, he included an accessible one. That's kind of awesome too. Let's see what this one does. Oh, his are all accessible. Yeah, that's another consideration to have. Maybe yours is ADA compliant. That's another thing because with the boxes and stuff, I think. Does he have any? Okay, his are all in this sort of basic format. So anyway, there are just a couple different ways you can do your syllabi, and we can talk about it more too.